Hello everyone, we're here at a beautiful house in Dernancourt and we just want to show you some of the garden redevelopment that we've done for a couple here. We've created a beautiful vegetable garden and also we have fruit trees through the rest of the property. Our big focus has been making sure we can pack as much vegetation as we can into the space while keeping the layout quite simple. So we're quite excited with the result. The front yard looks fantastic and we've been able to put in a lawn as well in the backyard. We've gone for a low maintenance type of garden, so the couple can go away if they need to, and the garden will pretty much look after itself.
Yeah, Heather and I first met Peter's staff down at Port Adelaide, and we were planning to landscape this property that we built last year, and we needed some help really. We were a bit, what to say, Heather? Needed some ideas. So.
Yes, because I'm no gardener. I like gardens, but I don't know much really.
So we contacted Garden Goodness and talked to Alison and then Peter, and with their help we planned out a landscaping project of both the back and the front of this property, and today it's complete really, and just like to thank Peter, Alison and his team for being great, easy to work with, and we're very happy with the outcome. And we've got some very happy plants too, you will have seen. Thank you.
If you would like a garden transformation, something like this, why not get in touch with us today? Contact Liam on 0482 500 051 or send him an email, liam@gardengoodnessaustralia.com.au.